Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Thanks for coming to my channel to watch this video. I don't know if you can tell, but my face has already been done, even though it doesn't look like it anymore, because it's currently like 5 o'clock in the morning and I just never got to this video yet, but I'm gonna do it now. So I'm not really gonna do my face in this video. I'm more of just an eye look, and hopefully it still looks fine afterwards. I don't know if you can see that glue that's on my eye. Before trying to learn how to do this look, I really didn't know what Smokey Eye was. I just figured like it had to be black, but then I saw people doing like pink and purple Smokey Eyes and stuff. But basically what the Smokey Eye is like you have a darker color and you're like building up the gradient. So it's up here would be lighter and you're just blending it down darker. So yeah, the last time I did this look, I really liked it. It was really nice to me, and even though it was my first time doing the Smokey Eye, this was like last week, I still really liked it. So I hope that you guys like this look. Okay, so I'm gonna use my James Charles palette, specifically because these palettes are kind of like ordered by color, and I want to use like these brown colors, maybe that one too, and then the black. So first I'm gonna start off with the darkest brown color, which is the color that's right above the black. I'm gonna go in with this small blending brush. What I learned from looking up about Smokey Eyes is that the biggest thing is to make sure that you blend well. So yeah, just make sure that you blend well. So I think after I use this brush, I might use a fluffier brush to kind of like blend it up. So I'm gonna do like I usually do and just kind of like pack this part and then blend. Now that I add that color pretty much in there, I'm gonna be using this Vasanti. It's called an angled concealer detailer brush. It doesn't look like a concealer brush to me, but I'm gonna use that brush and kind of just like fluff this out some more, like continue blending it. And then I'm gonna go in with the next color using this brush. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna use is the color to the left of the black color in the palette. So the color that's left to the black, the one on top of that is the color that I'm also gonna use on this one. So get a little bit of both of those and put it here. An important part is make sure you're also blending these two colors into one another so it like transitions easily. So now it looks like this, and just to like fluff it out more, I'm gonna use that blending brush that I like always talk about how much I like it. Do the same thing, kind of go over it first. Make sure they're blended. Then I'm gonna choose this third lightest color, which is going from the black, the second one to the left after the black, and kind of mix it a little bit with this just to put it at the top. Okay, so now that we have those three colors, the next important part is the lid. And that's where the black is gonna come in. And the first time I did this, I was scared because I don't use black on my lid ever, but it didn't come out bad. So we're gonna do this again. And I'm gonna trust this brush, just a regular brush that you use for your lid. So I'm gonna put that black color from this palette and just like put it on my lid. Sorry if you guys see the glue. It's just because I literally just took off my lashes so I could do this. And then kind of build it up to that little crease line that's in your eye, like where you close your eyes. Can I explain that? That crease line right there. And then what I did last time to blend it out more is I went ahead and got those brushes again and kind of blend the black out with the brown and then build it back up with the other colors again. Before I do the other eye, I'm gonna add liner and lashes. So no wing, just a regular line. What I'm gonna do is just do liner and mascara right now. I'm gonna add lashes, but I'm gonna let this eyeliner dry first because I wanna do this a certain way. Where's my mascara? I'll just use this one. The Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Hydrofuge mascara. We'll see how it looks. Actually, I don't know if I tried this one. I'm just gonna assume that's dry and go ahead and put glue on. And the same to the other eye. And I guess I'll just fill in my eyebrows a little. I think I will do, like, not do my face, but just like clean it up a little. So I can take pictures for the thumbnail and stuff, and just so I can like decent and done my whole face. I'm just gonna go in with concealer and then contour under my eye. So. And contour. Now I'm gonna do lips. I'm gonna use this mahogany colored lip liner. I'm gonna put the brown one on the top over this one because I don't want this to be that color at the top. And I'm gonna put a matte cream. Actually, I'm gonna put this matte lip cream right here. Blend. Nude lip cream in the middle. I'm gonna go with this color and just kind of put that in the middle. Put a clear gloss on top. It's because I'm rushing so I can get some sleep tonight. Let's try this color. Oh. I'm gonna get this shade stick and try to clean up. I'm gonna get a good lip color right now. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to comment down some suggestions below for the next video. I know this video I was trying to kind of rush. I'm gonna add some pictures of how it looks when I actually like take my time on my face and my lips and stuff. And you guys can try this video, try this look, and I hope this works out for you guys. Bye.